Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by dividing the room into functional zones so students know where things belong. Once done, clear one zone at a time and place supplies into labeled bins. This makes daily resets faster. You should pick 3-5 consistent colors for categories: materials, finished work, returns, so visual cues guide behavior. Make sure to set a simple 5-minute entry and exit routine now. Practicing it for a week establishes expectations and reduces chaos, and you'll already be building the habit while organizing. You now focus on accessibility and systems. Place everyday supplies at student height and less used items higher up. Once arranged, add clear labels with icons and short text so non-readers and subs can follow. Make a simple rotating restock checklist that assigns 3 tasks per day to students or aides. This spreads work and keeps zones tidy. Also, map traffic flow, angle desks and bins to avoid bottlenecks, so transitions stay smooth and disruptions drop over time. You wrap up by testing routines for 3 days and asking students for short feedback. Watch where congestion or misuse happens. Once you identify trouble spots, make targeted changes, move a cart, revise a label, or shorten a routine, and practice the new flow. Make a habit of a 10-minute end-of-day reset and a weekly zone check so systems remain sustainable. If things still break down, focus on resetting a single zone over a weekend and reteach expectations to regain control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.